got the Omaha.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of DY Studios Gaming. Today I'm joined by my two friends, yummeymango and again Ninja WJ9. Today, or just Ninja W for short, today we are going to be playing our brand new Omahas that we just got from the tech tree. We are going to be playing a domination battle in the fault line. And it's gonna be really fun. And we go. Alright, Mango, introduce yourself. Just say hi or something.
Hi.
Ninja, say hi to the viewers again. Ninja.
He's up there.
Just, he's frozen, doesn't hear anything.
Where's your camo? You're naked.
Oh no! I am. Gosh darn it.
I guess you got too excited and forgot about it.
Yeah, I guess so. Wow. That was a new moon right there. That was a new move right there. Oh my goodness. But yeah.
Hello, I'm here. Hello, everybody.
The new Omaha has acrostic search. It also has aircraft.
I just had to do it. I don't know what it does.
And I also have all the classic stuff: torpedoes, AP shells, HE shells, and all that jazz. But yeah. This is gonna be our first, but definitely not our last video with yummeymango. If we haven't told, oh my gosh, we did this today. We left our clan that we were in because
Alright, I'm gonna have to go for a second.
Alright, Ninja,
please cover me.
Sorry, we already left you in the dust.
I'm gonna try and trying to stop into a smoke screen.
You mean the one that Mango put?
Sure,
Alright,
I know.
watch out, Mango. They're gonna. Oh, wait, they weren't going after you. They were going after the wakeful. But yeah, today we're just gonna play, and hopefully we can make you laugh. So, hope you guys enjoy.
And of course, just as I'm getting here.
Of course, I'm a new YouTuber, so I don't have a catchphrase or an intro thing. But oh gosh, I'm just gonna go right in between here. Yep, thank you. I just did that. But yeah, Mango. Once you watch this video, you're gonna see that epic dodge that I just pulled right there.
So you know, I think Jack makes
Oh gosh, that's not good, is it?
It's pretty bad.
I'm screwed. Yeah, I'm screwed. I'm just trying to play every card that I have.
Oh, these are some nice torpedoes.
Oh god! Yeah, I'm basically screwed more than the screwdriver screwing the screw. Oh god. Ow! What the heck, dude?
Oh,
You just damaged my turret!
I know, remember I'm using a normal, computer, not a gaming one. If I barely even, touch the mouse on my computer, it'll fire. I didn't even use my mouse.
You've already explained that to me multiple times. You don't need to say it again.
You should know that I'm sorry.
But yeah, I'm already almost dead, and this battle hasn't even started yet. Basically.
Shut up.
No. Stop trying to make it sound like there's... I wish we could get the ocean map already, but we can't for some reason.
Testing fires.
Hey, Mango.
Right,
Do you know of any way we
test.
can get the ocean map in like a random battle or a co-op battle or something?
Dang, I have.
Sometimes it'll happen in a random.
Hopefully it does, because ocean is my favorite. Alright. Okay.
Sorry about what's happening in the background if you guys can hear it.
Yeah, they probably can, because I can, so... Yeah. I don't know why I'm in such a monotone voice today. I'm trying to...
Shoot, I don't even remember. Are we recording, DY?
Be happy.
We got an ambush going. Turn back! Turn back!
No.
Well, you're screwed. No offense.
Never mind. I changed my mind. Deuces. I'm going for the base. Wait, this is domination round. Dang it. Also, Mango, I saw that you dealt a devastating strike on someone. Who was that? Was that another destroyer?
A destroyer.
Uh-oh. Langley's going in after you. Me and this New Yorker coming in.
Does anyone have eyes on their Langley?
Detectability range by sea, 13.5 kilometers, and some just saw me. Oh crap. Oh god.
Yeah,
I
like
am
not
dead.
hydra.
Oh! Oh god.
I thought that was fun.
Oh god.
I thought I
That was the worst way to die. There's
especially when you're
one
recording.
torpedo.
I can't wait to go and watch
One
that.
freaking torpedo hit me. In the front of my ship.
I can't wait to
And
watch
I died.
that.
Yeah. Please don't.
Like, as soon as I watch that, I am gonna enjoy it.
Please,
Oh,
please.
look, there's your dead corpse.
I just watched Mango just go kadooey.
Yeah, because he got me on hydra.
Oh, Mango. Alright, everyone, spectatorate me. Tell me what to do. Make sure I don't get screwed.
You're going
Kill
after a
this
battleship.
dude.
in the cruiser. You're screwed.
Me?
Yeah, you're going after a
Oh, shoot,
battleship.
there's a battleship.
What? You didn't even notice the battleship? What?
How was I supposed to notice
Yeah, you're dead.
it? And, yep.
Just get away from the battleship.
You're dead right there.
Yeah. Hey, there's a New Yorker.
This is embarrassing.
And there I am.
Oh, yeah, the New York.
Oh, you're lucky that it was a very unit. It's a crap ship.
I don't know.
You took it with my computer. You took the
I never used it.
You had my computer and the charger was sitting on top.
Yeah, he's dead because there's a destroyer right there.
I need to go find it. Well, you need to go look.
Just in the background. In the background. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to hear that video.
Like, there's a destroyer, like, about to kill him.
I'm pretty sure that destroyer used torpedoes, but I can't be sure. Oh,
He's just
about
floating.
to hit an island. Oh my gosh, he's about to hit an island. Dude. Oh no, there's another dude. Oh no, he's screwed. Oh man, torpedo. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That was the funniest
Hilarious.
thing I've ever seen. I can't wait for his reaction when he comes back. Oh my gosh. Also, you can probably hear my brother on his little RC thingy over there. Oh, yeah, wait for it. Wait for it. Is he almost back? Is he almost back? I can't wait for him to see this. I'm just watching it sink. It's like so satisfying. Just
That was pretty funny. He was just like lifeless on it.
Yeah, just about to hit an island. Oh wait, there's another cruiser over there. Never mind, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. He probably would have died either way. He probably would have hit an island, would have been instantly shot and killed by the destroyer. Oh, that's awful. It's only our... Now it's only our Langleys. Yeah, all I gotta say is that we're screwed. We're definitely dead. No, this Langley has no camo. Kind of like pretty much all of the ships that were in this game. Except for yours and a New York and this Langley. Pretty sure.
They did so bad this game.
You're telling me. I think I'm just gonna stick to my strengths. The Charleston.
Wow, you can't work up the main line with a Charleston.
True. I gotta start getting better with the higher tier cruisers. I just like how many guns that it has. But I know the more...
It's just a fun, low-tier ship to play.
Yeah. Yeah, they won. Either they...
It's still time.
Yeah, time or points or whatever. I can't really tell.
Did you see what kind of ship I was playing?
You were playing a destroyer. A Japanese
It was
destroyer.
the Fujin.
The Fujin.
You can't get that ship anymore.
Seriously? Jeez.
Yeah, it was a Halloween thing, like several years ago.
Beware the Fujin.
One of the rare ships you can't get anymore.
Also, a fun fact: Mango has been playing this game ever since it came out. Isn't that right, Mango? Isn't that right?
Yep. Look at this one.
Is that one you can't get anymore?
Yeah, there's another one you can't get anymore.
Jeez.
The Italian battleship.
You know what? I wished I would have taken interest when I saw this game a couple of years ago. Like I used to see.
Here's another one you can't get anymore either. Here, I'll show you this one.
I am back.
Also, did you see how you
Dead too.
died?
It was so funny.
No.
You should have seen it. I can't wait for you to watch the video. Oh my gosh. That was amazing.
There's another one. This one you can't get anymore either.
Holy mother of what?
You get this anymore.
Do not care. Do not.
Just so many ships that you wish you could get. Just be mine. My goodness.
You get this anymore. Just remove this.
Annoying sisters.
Hey Mango. Maybe we can be a tier
Yeah.
7 this round and we can both be tier 5s. I'm gonna be by Marblehead.
Oh, cannot go one.
Won't work.
You can only go one higher. You cannot go two higher.
Oh right. How
So
about
he
you
can be
tier
a 6.
Yeah. I always get that mixed
Tier
up.
6.
I always think that it's, oh, you can be 2 tiers above.
And-
No, it's always 1 tier. And then I'm disappointed.
Don't mind me asking, DY, but are you still recording?
Yes, I am. In fact, I'm gonna
Oh.
record one more video, if you don't mind.
I do not mind at all because that, and especially if we can replace that last one we did since I wasn't there.
Also, that was the funniest way I've seen someone die, except for me. Because the way I died
You know what?
wasn't
Keep
funny, it was
it.
stupid.
You know what? Keep it. We'll label it on the funniest death. This editor.
Here, I got a tier 6 ship for you.
Just do like a voiceover on it, so it's like, well, it like pauses and it's like, okay, folks, this is the part where Ninja
And this is
has
what
to
he
leave to
knew.
do something.
He messed up.
I'm leaving. Well, Mom wanted a computer charger, thinking I used it. I never used it.
Oh yeah, we
Made me
heard.
find it. Oh, now I'm embarrassed.
It was hilarious. It was in the video too.
Just send that clip to me and let's forget about that.
Nope.
Just whatever you do, please. Send that.
Where's the
I'm
Arizona?
quite curious to see.
Is the Arizona one of the U.S. ships?
Dude, it's
Premium
the
tier
Arizona.
6.
Mm.
It's one of those premium ones, like if you go to Tech Tree.
No, it's not
Then
actually.
you just
It's one of the
scroll
ones
down.
from Armory, isn't it?
No, it's one of the ones you buy with real money.
Oh, that's it. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to port. I haven't readied up yet. Sorry, I just got my.
Whoa. Did you guys battle without me? Wait, you couldn't. I'm the commander.
Yeah, do it. Don't forget to put camo on your, you know.
Thank you.
I forgot. Don't forget to put
Celia.
camo on your Omaha. My goodness, I cannot speak today.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna.
1 second.
Demo.
Ready for the submarine week submarine?
Yes, I am ready for Submarine Week.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be so
Like Shark Week on Discovery.
Yup.
When you think about it, it's kind of like Shark Week. Da-dun, 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 da-dun.
Alright, BRP. Quick battle.
Oh, that.
And I'm back.
Hey, don't mind me asking. But have you by any chance while I was gone? Oh, I can't even talk right now.
Oh my gosh. We're having the same type of day, you and I.
That. Yes, the embarrassment. Mine was a lot embarrassing. Anyway, have you been told? I almost said pineapple instead of mango. I almost said, hey, have you told Pineapple what the name of your channel is? Then I caught myself and I was like, it's Mango!
Mango, I'm sure you can guess the name of my
Tier
channel.
7.
Studios?
Yeah, W.O.W.S Studios.
I mean, what YouTuber does not have his channel name as his username? I mean,
Just
it's typical
everywhere.
people.
Username is my channel name, everywhere. Why are you idiot?
I am right here. Dude, you are a fast battleship.
Yeah, it's a premium
No,
ship.
this is a slow battleship.
Yeah, well, you're catching up to me rather fast. Are you doing it?
Are you
It's
at
because you're not sailing in a straight line.
you do?
Sail in a straight line.
The slower you go. What the dude? It's like his thing. He like
Not doing
shoots.
anything.
He almost shoots me every
You do know if you do that too much, they can ban your account for a couple of days.
They can what?
They can ban your account for a couple of days from team killing too much.
Ooh, wow.
So as long as I don't get the team kill part,
We've
I
actually.
just almost
You get
hit him, I should be
If
fine.
you get it 3 times in one day, they will ban you for 3 days.
Whoa.
Jeez.
We've actually never
that
killed
was,
anyone
again,
on our team.
that was an accidental. That was
a
the
far
whole
miss.
thumb hitting something.
Don't worry, that's a far
Yes,
miss.
that was was my thumb hitting my desktop out.
Yes.
Where you guys going?
Where
This
are we
way.
going again?
Oh.
I'm turning later, Waffle.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna hit me. Oh.
You gotta put the DDs over there.
What's that?
Uh-oh.
Destroy the destroyer flag? Yes, sir.
You gotta just support the DDs over there. Destroyer.
Dude, we talked about this
Thank you,
last
I know.
time. Dude. Alright.
Gotta destroy this one right.
Come on, loser. Kill the crew. Oh, and of course there's an island in front of me. Where are you guys? Oh gosh.
Oh no. I don't want to hit you. I really don't want to hit you.
Just
Be fine.
Yeah, alright. Now I'm gonna straight line now. The thing is, whenever I record, I have very low frames per second.
Oh, he extended yet.
Whenever I record, I have super low frame rates. Because I have a desktop,
that makes sense.
not a gaming computer. So please, subscribe to my channel. I need 1,000 subscribers if I'm going to be able to start making money and stuff. Because get Nerf guns and GoPro start a Nerf gun branch of my channel as well. Oh god.
Okay, this is gonna. Okay, oh gosh. Oh god. If I die by torpedoes, I'm gonna rage quit this game for a week.
You're basically banning yourself. Is your thing like all white? Is your thing all matte white? Is that camouflage?
Camo.
Oh,
Yes, it is.
that's interesting.
It
Oh
gives me
gosh.
-3 detectability range.
Oh my gosh, I'm
Oh
just gonna
gosh.
cut in front of you right here.
I have a team that
Yeah, you did. So.
depends on me.
Yeah,
Just
so.
yeah, not bad.
Alright, I can't
Bad hit.
tell. Oh, oh no. Oh, that's a lot of torps. That's a lot of torps.
You're gonna take.
Oh, so slow. I can't see anything. Yeah, please subscribe if you enjoy.
Are you a fan of guns?
Played with them when I was like your guys' age.
Yeah, they've been around for a lot longer than I did. Yeah, yeah, because I'm only 13 going on 14 this year.
I'm 11 going on 12 next year.
Dang it, there's an island in my way. Frick.
Mass,
Yeah. I'm dead.
Mass is about, this user named Mass is about to have a massive mistake, made a massive mistake.
Alright, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
Boom.
This was another episode of DY
Thank
Studios
you
Gaming.
for stopping.
Friends. See you guys later. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Everyone say bye.
Goodbye.
Hey.
See ya.